Alright guys, g'day, how you going? My name's James Fawcett. I'm just doing a quick review on a new product called AffiliWeapon, which is brought out by my mates Justin and Sean, and they've really gone next level with this one actually, because it's something that it really able to drive some really good pages, some really good offers, and they also have banked it up with like tons of free traffic to really start increasing your profitability in terms of getting started on affiliate marketing. So this is a really good way in order to start adding to an income stream, being able to really start duplicating your profits. And I'm just going to give it a quick run through for you guys. I'm going to go through the software, and I'm also going to go through my bonus package as well. So and I'll also go through the funnels and how my bonus package is structured. This is a bonus package that I'm going all out for with AffiliWeapon, because I really do think that this product can really be able to be a huge assistance, whether or not you're starting out, you're already working, or you're already doing it, or you can just add an additional income stream to what you're doing today. So I'm just going to dive into my bonuses really quick, because I really want to nail it down hard on what I'm going to be offering you guys today. So I'm just going through here. So when you'll be watching this video here, no doubt, this is my review page where you're currently at. Now, when you go through to secure the bonuses, just click on this link below. There's another one at the bottom of the page, and that'll take you to the sales page, where you'll be able to click this yellow button here, and it'll take you to checkout. Alright, so you'll be able to do that in order to secure the bonus package that I've got going for you guys today. So with the bonuses today, I have a product coming out, and it's not even released yet. It's called Infusion. It comes out on October 11th, and if you pick up AffiliWeapon for 19 bucks today, I'm going to throw in the license rights for you. You'll be able to generate 100% profits straight away. So 100% profits on Infusion, releasing on October 11th. Alright guys, so you're going to get access to Infusion on the license rights only. So you'll be able to start generating 100% commissions. So that means that you'll be able to actually make up to nearly, I believe, like 600 bucks per person that comes through and buys Infusion. So that's pretty awesome. I'm also going to throw in $0 to $100 in 24 hours. This is a great product in order to, especially when you're starting out, the quicker that you want to make money, the better, no doubt. And these guys with this product, Brendan Mason, John Armstrong, have really laid out a really good strategy here, where you can just generate 100 bucks within 24 hours. Pretty self-explanatory. Now this is an old favorite of mine, the Lost Code. I bought this product nearly 2 years ago. I left it on the wayside for about 12 months, as we all do, but I actually tapped into it probably around about midway through last year, and I started following the process, and then I think it's probably one of the key triggers for me to be where I am at today, so I'm giving that as a bonus. Fuego multiplier is a great one to start duplicating your profits and multiplying on those, so we're giving that one away. We're giving away Urgency Suites Pro. I'm giving away Fuego Breakout. These are you could even add these on the pages in AffiliWeapon, and I'll explain that to you further in a moment. Fuego Breakout's another one as well, so if you're just trying to break out onto the affiliate scene, it's a great info product on how you'll be able to do that. Now guys, if you pick up, now the AffiliWeapon is actually, where is it? It's here. So it's 19 bucks on the front end. So if you grab the bonuses, if you just grab the 19 bucks, you're just going to grab these bonuses here. So you get Infusion, you'll get 0 to 100, you'll get Lost Code, you get Fuego, you get all these guys, okay? Now, if you pick up any of the upgrades, I'll go back here, sorry guys. If you pick up any of these upgrades here, and it's like secret commission sites for 47 bucks, you've got the advanced 500 edition here. So like these are what's in here. So secret commission sites exposed, you get done for you campaigns, you get commission sites done for you. You'll be able to scale up your profits, and you'll get these affiliate campaigns really starts expedite your results. Advanced 500 edition, you got the 67 bucks. You got the secret deadly strategy no one else is teaching, which is true because this is a one of a kind product. You'll be able to just let the software deliver for you. It's on tap, so you just have to go in there, set up your campaigns that are pretty much already done for you, and you're ready to go. Affiliate profits, they've got 20 additional done for you profit campaigns in here as well, on top of what you're going to get here. So it is $197. These pages are done for you already, so you don't have to mess around with the page builder in there. You don't have to do anything. It's ready for you to go. You got the auto profit boosters as well. So these are really going to be able to leverage and get higher conversions. So you'll be able to, further your conversions on that. You got the autopilot, $67, and then you got the license rights for $197 to be able to resell AffiliWeapon for 100% commissions. So these are the upsells. So if you pick up any of those, I'm going to throw in Phoenix, all upgrades. You get the membership, you get the profit automos, you get the done for you package, you get the profit box, you get unlimited traffic, and you're going to get the license rights to Phoenix. I'm also going to throw in the breakout code and all upgrades, so I'm going to put you in the best position possible to start nailing it out today. You're going to get the breakout code, the cash on demand, you're going to get the other done for you package within the breakout code, which these two are completely separate. So you're going to get two done for you packages. You're going to get the live case study masterclass where I actually go through, and I do this for 2 hours, guys. I create a campaign from scratch, from A to Z, right from creating the squeeze pages, the bridge pages, setting it all up, and then running traffic too. I literally buy traffic on this call. So I definitely, from one of my favorite vendors, so I'll definitely be able to, that would be able to help you, and you're also going to get the license rights to the breakout code. Alright guys, now this next one's a pretty special one. If you are pretty serious about this, and this is perfect for complementing with unlimited traffic too, guys. If you purchase any of the upgrades at $97 or more, $97 is probably, there might be a downsell in there, I'm not too sure. But if you purchase any upgrade worth $97 or more, I'm going to give you over 13,000 responsive leads to market to your products. Now, I'm going to show you how to actually use them and how you should use them in order to get the, to start multiplying and be able to map this, because these are the exact leads that buy from me every day. These are the exact leads that help me generate nearly $1,000 a day when I want to, and I definitely be able to send this to you as well. Now, the reason why I've put it at that price point is because it has literally cost me, and you think of it, it's $1 per lead that cost me. So these responsive leads, so this is nearly worth 13 grand on its own. So if you pick up any of the $97, I will throw in this 13k list. Alright guys, so it's definitely worthwhile grabbing. I'm going all out on this one because I fully believe that this product's going to help you. I'm going to go straight into the app right now, and this is part of it here. I'm just going to close the editor and take you back to the main page. Now when you buy AffiliWeapon, you're going to come into this site. Alright, so you're going to come in here, and then as you can see, you can create new sites. Now when you have the done for you package, you're going to have nearly everything here ready to go for you. So this is not the done for you. This is a early bird one that I've received earlier. And so for example, you can go to create new site, and you can see all these templates here, guys. So there's already all these done for you, pretty much pages ready to go for you. So for example, you can go choose here, right? And then you can start editing what you want. And then for example, you can just go down here, and then like for example, see here how that's a hyperlink. Oh. So you just click that, and you can do the settings here, and then the target link, and you'll just enter your affiliate link here, and then that'll be ready to go. Alright, so we'll just hide this panel, and then you go back up. It keeps grabbing. Alright, so I'm hitting the wrong spot, guys, I'm sorry. That's probably why. So you just highlight that. You should be able to highlight that. That's probably why. I'm not hitting the wrong thing, guys. I'm sorry. Here we go. So you just highlight that there. So you just come down here, you go in the toggle, and you click the edit button, and you're able to just like insert, for example, your affiliate link here. Alright. So you just go down, and then you just click out of there. Alright, so just hide that, click on that, and then you just edit there, and you can edit any of these links in here to your affiliate link, which is pretty awesome. So you just do that, go here, URL, your affiliate link here, and then you're pretty much set to go. Alright guys, so these are pretty much all done for you, which is pretty fantastic. And then you just press, and then you just do, like, click on publish, and then you just close the editor, and you just click leave. So yes, it's gonna save it for you. So this is the one I just made here for you guys. So as you can see, it's very easy to use, very simple to go through. Now with the traffic, it also has traffic in here inbuilt. So it's going to be able, you'll get a login as well, and you'll be able to jump in there. So you'll be able to access the traffic here as well. So the traffic access is like where the traffic's on built on tap, and you'll be able to access that and go from there, guys. So it's a pretty sweet, it's all done for you. So it has the pages, it gives you the ability to put the affiliate links in there. It's got some pretty good copy on the pages as well, and it really does you know, solve a lot of problems to you being able to start generating some pretty solid commissions, guys. So plenty of existing proof, and you'll be able to go from there. So guys, pick up these bonuses. They are ending probably tonight by 11:59. Make sure you pick it up, go from there, and I really look forward to you guys getting some results with AffiliWeapon. Alright guys, thanks very much and enjoy, and I really hope you do pick up on this. Cheers.